Hello, young hobbits! Today I will share the process of creating the Rohans Warrior figurine from the Lord of the Rings universe. In this video, we bring that legend to life. Creating a figurine always starts with an idea. I wanted to sculpt Rohirrim for a long time. After looking a lot of photos from the internet, I started creating a frame made of foil and wire. And then the body, clothes, weapons and armor are created gradually and of course with adjustments. Of course, I wanted to sculpt a rider, but it would take even longer and I haven't tried sculpting a horse yet. The wind swept over the gold fields of Rohan, carrying with the sound of hooves like thunder. The horse lords rode under the banner of the white horse on green, fearless and proud. For generations they guarded the baddest of their realms, standing in the last bastion between the free peoples of Middle-earth and the shadow of darkness. I spent a lot of time creating the figurine, but the results make me very happy. For a complete image, all that is missing is a green cloak and a horse. I will not talk much about the process, and I hope you like the video. This project is perfect for fans of The Lord of the Rings, lovers of Middle-earth history, and anyone who wants to master the art of polymer clay sculpture. Amid the vast plains of Middle-earth, where the wind drives waves of tall grass, lies the land of Rohan, the kingdom of the riders. Here the sun gilds the fields and proud horses. Swift as a mountain stream, graze in the shadow of the white mountains. Their houses are simple but strong. Their hearts are honest by handling. To them a horse is not merely a weapon in battle, but a blood brother, a companion in life and death. The capital of Rohan is Adros, crowned with golden roofs. The standard of Rohan is a white horse on a green field, a symbol of speed, freedom, and loyalty. By the end, you'll not only see a warrior take shape, you'll feel the spirit of Rohan in your hands. Watch both videos, leave a comment, and let me know which characters you'd like to see.